Hello, my name is Kenji. I am 14 years old, and I live in a small town in Japan. It is quiet and beautiful, with cherry blossom trees and small shops. I live with my parents and my little sister. She is 8 years old and very funny. I wake up at 6:30 every morning. My alarm clock rings loudly, and I get out of bed. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I get dressed in my school uniform. I wear a white shirt, a blue jacket, and black shoes. After that, I eat breakfast with my little sister. We usually eat rice, miso, soup, and eggs. Sometimes we have toast and fruit. We talk and laugh together. At 7:30, I walk to school with my best friend, Haru. He lives near my house. We talk about games and homework while we walk. The street is quiet, and we see many cherry blossom petals in spring. School starts at 8 o'clock. We have 6 classes every day. My favorite subject is English, because I like learning new words. I also enjoy science and art. At 12, I eat lunch in the school garden. I sit with my friends under a big tree. I eat a bento box with rice, chicken, and vegetables. The garden is peaceful and green. After school, I sometimes go to the library to read books. I like adventure stories and manga. On other days, I play soccer with my classmates. We run and laugh a lot. It is fun and good exercise. In the evening, I help my mom cook dinner. I wash vegetables and stir the soup. We listen to music while we cook. I eat dinner with my family at 7 o'clock. We talk about our day and enjoy the food. After dinner, I study for 1 hour. I do my homework and review my lessons. At 9:30, I go to bed. I read a book or listen to music before sleeping. I like my routine because every day is fun and I learn something new. Now, tell me about your daily routine.